This is me.
Yung pag-come out ko po kasi is talagang na-feel ko na yun na talaga. Talagang na-feel ko po na ito na gagawin ko na.
Bigyan lang po natin sila ng time. Intindihin po. Parang nagawa ko ulit lahat yung gustong-gusto kong gawin ng bata pa ako. Which is na kahit napanda ako, nagbabasketball ako. Yung nagpapasaya sa akin ngayon, yung mga barkada ko, and especially, once na na-feel nila na ready na, doon mo na marirealize kung gaano kalakas yung loob mo. Thank you so much. From the bottom of my heart, thank you po.
Such a heart, such a soul. Finally, that you search for more. Don't tell me it's not worth trying for. Can't tell me it's not worth fighting for. You know it's true. Everything I do. Do it for. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you.